Hello guys, welcome to iToolab channel. Samsung recently released the March 2023 security patch to its smartphones and tablets. If you are a Samsung user, you'll find that it becomes harder to bypass Samsung FRP. Some methods may not work at all. Today, we'll show you a new method to bypass FRP lock on Samsung devices. This method works for the new security patch. Let's check how it works. Run iToolab Unlock Go Android after installation. Choose the Bypass Samsung FRP option on the main screen. Connect our Samsung device to the computer and click Start. Choose the first option. It can bypass Google Lock on Samsung devices installed the new security patch. Now, we need to put our Samsung device into Diagnostics menu. When the operation is completed on the device, click Next to continue. A pop-up appears. It can help us enable USB debugging on the device. Wait for a few seconds. The Google Lock on our Samsung device has been removed successfully. The Samsung phone restarts. Now, we can access the home screen without Verify PIN or Google account credentials. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel to receive the latest tips and tricks.